Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the image banner size on Shopify. This is incredibly useful when you want your banner images to display at specific dimensions that better fit your store's design and branding needs. First, open your browser and navigate to shopify.com. Once there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Shopify dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now, on the left side of your dashboard, locate and click on Online Store. This section gives you access to your theme settings and customization options. It's where you'll spend most of your time when making design changes to your storefront. You'll see your current active theme displayed on the screen. Right beside it, click the Edit Theme button. This takes you into the theme editor where you can make visual adjustments to your store's appearance. Once you're in the theme editor, look toward the top of the screen and click on the three dots menu from the drop-down that appears. Select Edit Code. This opens up the code editor where you can make more advanced customizations that aren't available through the standard theme editor. Be patient here as the editor loads. Sometimes it can take a little time depending on your internet connection and how complex your theme is. Just give it a moment to fully load before proceeding. On the left side of the code editor, you'll see a list of folders and files. Click on the Layout folder to expand it, and underneath it, click on theme.liquid. This is one of the main template files that controls your store's overall structure. Now scroll down to the very bottom of this file until you find the closing body tag, which looks like open angle bracket / body close angle bracket. This tag marks the end of your page's body content. Above this closing body tag, create some space by pressing Enter a few times. This is where you'll paste your custom code. I've already prepared the code you'll need for this tutorial. Feel free to pause the video now so you can copy it from the description below. The code contains CSS styling that will control your banner dimensions. Once you've copied the code, paste it into the space you just created above the closing body tag. This code allows you to define custom maximum width and height values for your image banners. Within the code you just pasted, you can now adjust the max width and height values to whatever dimensions you want your banner to be. Simply change the pixel values to match your desired banner size. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, click Save in the top right corner of the editor to apply your changes. Your image banner will now display at the custom size you've specified, giving you complete control over how it appears on your storefront. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.